Global Asset Performance Management Report, Forecast to 2025. According to MRFR's latest report published, the global asset performance management market is expected to expand at 10.7% CAGR to reach a market value of $18.76 billion in 2025. The players in the global asset performance management market have adopted mergers and acquisitions as a key growth strategy. The asset performance management market segmentation divided by offering, by deployment type, and by verticals. By offering segment, the enterprise asset management software subsegment accounted for the largest market share in 2018 and is expected to register a CAGR of 8.5% during the forecast period. Regionally, China is expected to be a leading country-level market and is expected to register a CAGR of 12.2%, followed by Japan with 11.3% by review period. Cordially fill in sample request for more details.